next video number 4. Before starting the practicals of P&L appropriation account, as you know, yesterday we discussed the performa of P&L appropriation account, and before starting the practicals of the same topic, we have to study two important points in this video while preparing the P&L appropriation account. So here's your first important point that you have to keep in mind while preparing the P&L appropriation account. See, in profit and loss appropriation account, we record only appropriations from the profit. In P&L appropriation account, we record only appropriations of the profit, and any item that is charged against profit is not recorded in P&L appropriation account. See, I have highlighted two items here. Some expenses are called appropriation from the profit, while others are called charge against the profit. Now, what appropriation of profit means and what a charge against the profit means, see the difference I have written between the both. Charge against the profit and appropriation against the profit. Charge against the profit means compulsory deduction from the revenue. Compulsory deduction from the revenue to ascertain profit or loss, while the appropriation means a distribution of profit. Fine. See the second difference. When made, when charge is made and when appropriation is made. Charge is made whether we have profit or loss, while the appropriation is made only if we have profits. See the point again. Charge is made whether we have profit or loss, while the appropriation of the profit will be made only if we have profits. It means if we have loss, then appropriations will not be made. Fine. See the third difference. Recording, where the charge is recorded and where the appropriations are recorded. Charge against the profit, any item which is charged against the profit is debited in P&L account. Fine. Charges are debited in profit and loss account, while the appropriations are debited in profit and loss appropriation account. Fine. See, charge is debited in P&L account, while the appropriation is debited in P&L appropriation account. Fine. Now see some examples of charge and appropriation. These are examples of charge and these are examples of appropriation. Interest on partner's loan is called charge. Rent payable to partners is also charge. Manager's commission is also a charge, and all those expenses which are related to the business are called charge. So after studying these points, we can say that all those necessary expenses which are related to the business are called charge, and these expenses are to be paid whether we have profit or we have loss. Charges are to be recorded in P&L account. Now see the examples of appropriation. Interest on partners' capital and salary commission to the partners. These are examples of appropriation. Apart from this, any amount if we want to transfer to reserve will be called appropriation. And as we studied, appropriations are made only when we have profit. It means interest on partners' capital will be allowed only if we have profit. Why? Because it is an appropriation of the profit. Salary or commission to the partner will also be allowed only if we have profit, because this is also appropriation. Transfer to reserve, if you want to transfer any amount to reserve, then That is possible only if we have profit, because transfer to reserve is also an appropriation. So at the end I can sum up the video with saying that expenses which are related to the business, expenses which are related to the business are called charge against the profit, and these are necessary expenses. These are to be recorded in P&L account whether we have profit or we have loss. See, the interest on partners loan is also considered a necessary expense, that is why it is considered charge against the profit. Rent payable to the partners, if we have used some partners property in the business, then any rent payable on that property will also be considered charge against the profit. Rent payable to the partner is considered charge against the profit, so we will record it whether we have profit or we have loss. Fine. While these three items are called appropriation from the profit, and these are to be recorded in P&L appropriation account, and these are to be recorded only if we have profit. It means if we have loss, if we have loss, net loss is given in the question, then we will not record any of the appropriation. Fine.